Do you want to see change within yourself? Do you want to see change within the collective? This is a question. Do you care about your own energy? And do you care about what happens to humanity? If you don't, get the fuck out of here. This isn't for you. If you do, stay, listen to what I'm saying, repost this video right now. Otherwise, you don't care what happens to the collective. The way that you take your power back, that has been stolen, that has been interfered with by the forces that be, even if it's wrapped in pretty words that manipulate you to think it's a good thing for the collective or for you personally. It's not. It's to steal your energy. It's to telepathically interfere with your thought process and your daily activities to keep you dumb, not in alignment with your purpose, not doing what you're meant to be doing here, and not living a happy life while you're submitting to being robbed by the grocery stores, by everything, the housing market. I mean, the list goes on and on. We're robbed at every corner of our resources and of our vital life force energy. The way that you take back control of this is by not allowing this energy to touch you, by not accepting it. They can only impose these things upon you if you allow them. If you start putting return to sender into your language and into your thought process on a daily basis, you will observe your life get easier. You will have more energy. You will click into alignment with you because you get rid of the interference. Most of your negative thought processes, shitty thoughts about yourself, self-doubt, depression, yada, 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 the list goes on, is from outside interference being imposed onto your energy field. The way that you stop this, it doesn't have to be complicated. I don't care if somebody says you have to do more than this. Well, if it's all you got, it'll work. And I've been an energy practitioner for 20 years. I know what I'm talking about. And I've also overcome a lot of things. And I have been doing this for 23 days now. And my life has completely changed for the better. I am up at 5 a.m. to go to a workout class outside of my house. A month ago, I wouldn't leave my house and I was sleeping all day. And I'm not taking any kind of stimulant. I'm drinking black tea. I didn't wake up and take a stimulant or anything, which a month ago I was doing. So anybody that's going to challenge me and say that it doesn't work, do it. Okay? Honestly, do this for 30 days. And if you don't see positive change in your life, then you can come back to me and be like, that shit didn't work, Lindsey. But until then, I don't want to hear it because that's just lazy. I understand that people may perceive me as arrogant. I am passionate about what I do. I'm passionate about what I say. And I'm passionate about the collective not allowing these processes and these people to infringe on your energy any longer. And when I know that it's as simple as just learning how to take care of your own energy, to step outside of this box that has been created, that people are existing in misery in, it's frustrating. So I get animated and smart ass-ish, excuse me. I have an lisp thing going on here. So all you have to do is say return to sender. Return to sender. Anytime a negative thought comes in your mind, anytime you're feeling depression, anytime you're outside, somebody looks at you shitty, anytime anything you start thinking about something negative, return to sender. It literally cuts the cord of that energy and projects it back to whoever created it. That's it. It clears you. So repost this video. If you give a shit about people in the collective, repost this video. And I have a playlist created to do this for 30 days. Today is day 23. I'm also doing it on a collective level. So now I've moved, because of how well it worked with the individual, now I'm moving into the collective. Because if all of us collectively minded, or even a portion of us who are powerful healers, start returning to sender the collective infringement on our energy, we are going to see massive change on a collective level. It starts at individual, then moves out collectively. Things have to start with you in order to effect the collective. All right. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy yourself. I encourage you to give this method, which it's not even a method. It's just saying something out loud or in your head. It doesn't involve any violence. It doesn't involve touching people. It doesn't involve tearing the fucking government down. The government can tear its own ass down from the inside out by projecting the shitty energy that they impose onto us back to them. It's really that simple. And if you don't think I'm right, well, give it a try. Why not try it? Why not?